Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In this video, I would like to show you some of basic syntax for using who command on Linux. So, the first command, if you run who command without any options or argument like this, it will display account information. On the first column, you have to see the username. We can see the user login name. So the user login on this server named EC2-user. On the second column, we can see that user's terminal. So because I'm not connected directly to the server, so we see PTS. So PTS, it means I'm using a remote. For example, on my PC, I'm using PuTTY to connect to my server. So for this reason, we see PTS. If you are connected directly to your server, you must see TTY/0 or 1 or 2. It depends the number of the console. So, and here we can see the time of login. So this user EC2/-user log on the server the April 27th, 2020 at 6 p.m. and 15 minutes. And the last column, we can see the host the user is logged in from. It means the IP address of my computer. For example, in my case, I'm using a Windows 10, so this is the IP address of my PC. Okay, another command, and it will give you the same output. You can use it or use it the who command only. It's who -m, and as you can see, we have the same output. Another command, who -h, on caps lock H, capital letter, and H here print the heading of the columns displayed. So we can see the headers of the columns: name, line, time, and comment. And we can use it with M options. It will give you the same output. Another useful command is using who with the option -q. And -q print the login names and total number of logged on users. On my case, I have one user logged on my server, and this only user logged on my server, named EC2-user. If I have, for example, the root user also connected to my server, I must see users equal to and the EC2-user and root user here. It's very useful, this command. Another useful command is using, and I'm using this command in my script, who -b. And this command is useful because we can view the time of last boot. So my server has booted, the last boot of my server, it was at 18 and 15 minutes, the April 27th. Another command with option is using who with the option minus R. And if you know the run level on your systemd, for example, on your server, this command gives you or can check the current level of your systemd. So on my case, the run level used by my server, it's 5. Another command is you can see the dead processes on your system by using who minus d. But on my case, I don't have any dead processes, and to see the active processes spawned by init, you have to use minus p, the option minus p. And minus p to see active processes spawned by init. But I don't have on my server any active or dead processes. And to use to see all these other all options together we have covered, we have to use who with minus a, and minus a is a for all, stands for all. And as you can see the last boot, the run level, the which user has connected to my server, etc. And to find more information, we can use the who minus minus help, and this command print you a lot of information about users who are currently logged in, and with many of options. For example, you can use minus R, minus S, minus T, minus T, minus U, and also for, like a bonus, you can use, I want to clear my screen, who am I, to know which user using this console. So who am I give you the name of users which type this command, for example, who. And you can use who am I like this also, who am space I. And it's the same command like who or who minus m, gives you the same output, who am I or who minus m. And also you can use who am and I on capital letter, and also it gives you the same output. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lecture.